Hello guys, welcome to the channel of Open Mind. We were discussing in the previous classes the different types of chemical reaction and what is a chemical reaction, what is a skeletal equation, what is a balanced equation. Now here we will be seeing what are the different types of chemical reaction. So the first one is combination reaction. Under combination reaction means when the two reactants combine, it gives you a product. That kind of reaction is called as combination reaction. The reactants can be two or more than two also. The product will also be the same. So the first category under this is that when an element combines with element. Element combines with element. That means both the reactant side on the left hand side of the equation, both should be element. It combines to form a compound. Now I hope you people know what is an element. The element is that the molecules combines in order, the molecules of same kind combines to form an element. Now what is a molecule? The atoms of same kind combines in order to form the molecule. So the simplest form of matter is atom. Atom combines of similar kind to give rise to molecules. Molecules of similar types combines in order to give rise to element. So like hydrogen, chlorine, oxygen, different kinds of elements are present in the universe. Now element is combining with the element. Take an example of element. I'll take it as H2 plus Cl2. It will give you how much? 2HCl. See, previously in my previous classes I showed you if I don't write here 2, what will happen? This, how many molecules of hydrogen is there? 2. How many molecules of chlorine is there? 2. So when you get the product, is it there 2 molecules of hydrogen and chlorine? No. So you have to balance by writing a 2 over here. Another example, Mg plus O2, it gives MgO. First always you write the skeletal equation. After the skeletal equation, you check the atomicity. There you will get that whether the reaction is balanced or not balanced. See here like Mg, so here if you write down 2, you get 2 molecules of oxygen, 2 molecules of oxygen, but here even 2 molecules of magnesium is there. So put again 2 over here. Okay. Another example is H2 plus O2. It gives you 2H2O. So here one element is combining with another element in order to give you a compound, that is hydrogen chloride. Here magnesium is reacting with oxygen to give you magnesium oxide. Hydrogen is reacting with oxygen to give you 2 molecules of water. So in this way we saw what happens when element combines with element. Now we will see another type of combination reaction. In the second case, we will see when a compound reacts with another compound. Okay. So as I said you, atom is the most simplest form of matter. 2 atoms combines to give rise to similar kinds. 2 atoms of similar kind combines to give rise to molecules. Molecules of same type combine to give you elements. Elements combines in different ratios to give rise to compounds. And compounds, when mixed in different ratios, they give rise to mixtures. Now there are 2 categories of mixtures also. One is homogeneous mixture, the another one is heterogeneous mixture. The homogeneous mixture is that in which the composition of the mixture seems to be almost same with the help of naked eyes, whereas in case of heterogeneous mixture it is not like that. We'll discuss all these things later on. First let's see what happens when compound reacts with another compound. Take any compound, CaO. What is CaO? Calcium oxide. Do you know what is the other name of calcium oxide? The other name of calcium oxide is quicklime. Okay. Take another compound. I'll take water. So now CaO plus H2O, that is calcium oxide plus water. It will give you what? Calcium hydroxide. CaO is twice calcium hydroxide. Okay. See here, that is ammonia plus HCl. It will give you what? NH4Cl. So ammonia is a compound. Here hydrogen chloride is a compound. It will give you ammonium chloride. If you want, please write the name below. It gives you a good practice to remember the formula. Okay, now NH3, here it is 1H, so total 4 atoms of hydrogen, it is 4, nitrogen is 1, so it is 1, and chlorine is also 1, so it is 1. So this kind of equation is balanced, so no need to balance it anymore. So this is an example when compound reacts with compound. Now we will see another topic in which the compound reacts with an element. Now when a compound reacts with an element, okay, for example CO plus O2, it gives you what? CO2. Now what is this compound? This compound is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide. And what is this? This is the oxygen. So this is a compound. This is an element. Why this is an element? Because here only one type of molecule are present, that is oxygen. But here there are two kinds of molecules are present. One is carbon and another one is oxygen. That's why this is a compound and the other one is an element. It gives you what? CO2. That means it is also giving you a compound. Now is it balanced? Just check it. CO. C is 1, C is 1. Here O3 is there, here 2 is there. So try to balance it. Put a C2 over here, 2 over here. Now 2 2s are 4. So this oxygen is 2 plus this oxygen is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Here 2 into 2 is also 4. 2 atoms of carbon, 2 atoms of carbon. So now this is balanced. Take another example. NO plus O2. It gives NO2. That means nitrogen oxide plus oxygen gives nitrogen dioxide. Now what is this nitrogen oxide? Nitrogen oxide is a compound. It is reacting with an element. Since this is a diatomic molecule, we are writing 2 over here. It will give rise to another compound which is called as nitrogen dioxide. Now is this balanced? No. Just put 2 over here and 2 over here. So 2 molecules of nitrogen, 2 molecules of nitrogen, 4 molecules of oxygen. Here on the right hand side or on the product side also there are 4 molecules of oxygen. So now this is balanced. This is known as combination reaction in which a compound is reacting with the element. I am writing the name of the compound so that you may remember it with the formula. Nitrogen oxide, and this is called as nitrogen dioxide. So I hope now the combination reaction is very clear to you. So there are 3 types of combination reaction. First, when an element combines with an element. Second, when a compound reacts with a compound. Third, when an element reacts with a compound. So but always remember, after the reaction is over, please don't forget to balance it. If you don't balance it, you are violating the rule of law of conservation of masses. So in my next upcoming videos, we will be seeing some other type of chemical reactions under the same chapter. Till then, bye from Sandhya and Open Mind channel.
For more updates, subscribe our channel, click the shown links and enjoy watching the videos.